Hi, my name is Matthew Pierce. I'm a software engineer, and today I'm going to show you how to lock numeric values in Excel. Now, say I've got a spreadsheet right here. This cell right here, it gets its formula from the sum of these cells right here. You can see there's a cell, the value in the cell, here's its formula. Click on that, highlights the cell. So you can see right there, that's where it gets its value. Now, say I want to lock this cell so that it no longer gets the values from that sum. What I can do is highlight the cell that I want to lock, copy it, and then go to Paste Special, and then over here, the paste, you select Values. And what that will do is it will overwrite the formula that was in that cell with the value that you just pasted in. And so now it no longer derives its value from that sum, and it is now locked to the value in that cell. My name is Matthew Pierce. Today I showed you how to lock numeric values in Excel. Thanks for watching.